Good morning, guys. Welcome back. It's 8 o'clock almost. So the guys are getting ready to start here in the carport and Ed's cottage in this area. They're going to finish the steel for the beam. If they get to finish it, I think they will form it and pour it today if they get to finish it. So that's what they've been doing. Kuya Ong is transferring the backfill inside the area. Mark is working with the downspout, the drain. He's putting some gravel around the pipe. So, and some of them will make the forms. Excuse me. The painter will continue painting inside. There's still a lot going on in here. So I'll take some videos for you. I think they are going to waterproof the backside. They are mixing the waterproofing. Laki naman. Butterscotch. Anak. Hi guys, welcome back. The workers just finished their afternoon break. It's after 3 o'clock now, and let's go check on the update. Excuse all the mess. This is a construction site. Tonton is waterproofing here in the back right now. Like that. I will go here on the side so we can walk. The dogs are here. Puppies. So let's walk here on the side gate. See how much work is done. It's been done here. So this side is all waterproof. And so is that side. And the one that he's working on now is the middle. I'm not sure about the... Oh yeah, that one's done. So it'll be almost done here on the back. Almost. So it's really, really warm today. It's been humid and all that. So let's go walk here and check on the other side. Let's go to the room first because our other painter, Carlo, is working in the spare bedroom, finishing the paint. Here. Oops. I will just go out in the side. They're prepping for mixing concrete to pour all the beam. And then they already finished one load of backfill. So now they're working on the second load. And they're getting ready to mix and pour. Almost everything is formed, the beam. So let's go check it. Kuya Ong is already hosing it. We'll go check that painting job after here. Bombay is welding some steel for... That's gonna be the sample design for the space between the two columns here for the fence. So Mike wants to see what it'll look like. So he is making a design. This is their last week of work. Actually, it's not even gonna be a full week for them. They're only going to work for 3 days because we want to get a little rest, like a few days rest before we fly, before we go on our vacation. Di mo naman tinignan. Sinagot mo lang si Kuya Ong, di mo naman tinignan eh. So let's go check on the room. The 3 rooms are mostly similar in color, or quite close, like this. And the spare bedroom and the office is almost really close color, except for the office marks have an accent wall with a different paint color. So the beam of this the guest room is the same color as the one in the master, just to save on paint because we still have leftover of that paint color. So I told Carlo, if we have enough to use on the guest room, might as well use it so we can use it. To save me some money in buying another color. That's why. And I think it complements the main color of the guest room good. It looks okay, I guess, because I'm the one that picked out that color for the guest room. But yes, that's the latest update right now. I'm the one doing an update for all of you, and please bear with me, I guess. We'll see you later. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Kakaway ka. Kakaway ka. Shout out ka mo.
Don't disappoint me, Dubai.